Presenting Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G smartphone. It also comes in hyper blue color. You can choose between 8GB or 6GB RAM. It comes with 128GB internal storage for fast and efficient performance for the task at hand. Moving on to its 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display, designed for immense visual experience. Designed with 48MP, 8MP and 2MP camera and 16MP front camera to help you capture unforgettable moments in vivid and ultra-clear detail. The smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 920, 5G powerful gaming processor. Experience the best battery life with its 5000 mAh long-lasting battery. The box includes the smartphone, adapter, USB cable, screen protector, SIM card tool and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.